Hi there, greeting and warm welcome to ELT Long, especially in the ELT series by ELT Long. In this video, I am going to discuss about language learning theories based on philosophical level. Based on philosophical level, we have two language learning theories. They are behaviorism and mentalism. Among the two, I will be discussing only about behaviorism in this video. Moving further, let's discuss what is the language learning theories based on the psychological level. So the language learning theories based on psychological level mainly explains how learners acquire, process, and store as well as use the language through mental and behavioral process. This psychological level theories of language learning focuses on learning of behavior, cognition, motivation, memory, and interaction. So, this is the general background of psychological level theories of language learning. It means this theory focuses on acquisition, process, storage, and use of language through mental and behavioral process. It also focus on learning behavior, cognition, motivation, memory, and interaction. Now, let's move toward the first language theory of philosophical level, that is behaviorism. So, the behaviorism language learning theory of psychological level was dominant in the first half of 20th century and gradually started losing its charm after 1917. So, behaviorism theory believes that infants learn oral language from other human role models through a process involving imitation, rewards, and practice. This is quoted by Kutter and Rutgel, 2004. It means an infant learns language through the process of imitation or by imitation, rewards, and practice. According to behaviorism, language learning is a matter of habit formation. It means language learning is not just learning like any knowledge or theory only. Language learning is the matter of habit formation. It means once we learn the language, we learn a habit. Behaviorism focuses or emphasizes the role of external environment in language learning. It views language learning as a process of permanent change in behavior. It means language learning is a matter of habit formation. It emphasizes the role of external environment and views language learning as a process of permanent change in behavior. Similarly, behaviorism argues that language acquisition can be observed as learning of other skill. Means language learning or language acquisition is the matter that can be observed. And behaviorism theory believes that children are born with a blind state of mind or attuvala rasa. Children acquire language through stimuli given to them, and the response of children are conditioned through reinforcement. This idea or the behaviorism idea is some extent similar to the ideas based on the school of empiricism. Means the behaviorism theory of language learning is similar to the idea based on the school of empiricism. Now let's discuss about some features or major principles of behaviorism language learning theory. The first is language learning is permanent change in behavior. Language learning occurs through habit formation. Language learning is similar to skill learning, and it can be observed. Human mind at birth is tabula rasa, or a blank sheet of paper, and environmental factors plays great role or major role in language learning according to behaviorism. Similarly, learning occurs through SRR chain, means stimulus, response, and reinforcement. Behaviorism believes that imitation and repetition are key technique of language learning. First, children imitate and then repeat it, and language is learned. The theory emphasizes rote learning, mimicry, memorization, and practice. As we discussed the earlier point, imitation and repetition. It emphasizes the rote learning. Rote learning means we imitate, we make mimicry of some sound, and we memorize, and then we practice as repetition. So these are the major features or major principles of behaviorism language learning theory based on the psychological level. So I hope the video makes sense. Thank you for watching the video, and if you think the video makes sense to you, please like the video and subscribe the ELT long. Thank you. Have a great time.